Ants in the bathroom can seriously mess with your chill vibe, but you can totally kick them out with some easy tricks. So, first off, you gotta fix any leaks, like dripping faucets or pipes, because ants love water spots. Next, clean your drains regularly, since ants sometimes come up from there looking for food. Borax bait is a game changer. Mix it with something sweet and let the ants carry it back to their colony. Don't forget to seal any cracks or crevices where ants sneak in. Even tiny gaps can be highways for these little invaders. Using essential oils like peppermint or tea tree oil around entry points can help keep ants away naturally. Make sure you keep the bathroom dry and free of crumbs or soap residue, because ants are all about that easy snack life. Wiping down surfaces often is clutch to remove any trails ants leave behind, and remember, consistency is key. Keep up with these tips, and you'll see way fewer ants crashing your bathroom. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bathroom ant problems is ignoring leaks or moisture issues. Ants are drawn to water, so if you don't fix drips or damp spots, they'll keep coming back. Another common problem is not sealing entry points properly. Even small cracks let ants in, so using caulk or weather stripping is a simple fix that really works. Lastly, relying only on sprays without using bait can backfire, because sprays just scatter ants temporarily, but don't kill the whole colony. Borax bait is better since ants take it back home and eliminate the source. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle problems like ant infestations quickly and effectively. It also gives contractors a way to connect with real customers looking for help with their home projects.